care and repair, it was contacted and they came and had a little chat to me of what I wanted, and I said, well, I needed a toilet in downstairs, because in a couple of years' time perhaps I won't be able to climb up the stairs to go to the toilet or the shower. So they're going to build me a room in here, which is going to be a walk-in shower, a toilet, a wash basin and a heater, so that I'll be able to just come out here and use the facilities. Yeah. But they're going to use most of this room, they're building a room within a room. That's how they described it to me.
Describe to me what this room looked like a few weeks ago, yes, before.
Oh, every cupboard, every cabinet was full. Most of it was flower arranging stuff, because I taught flower arranging and I belonged to 2 flower clubs. So most of it was, this was built as a utility room, not as a conservatory. It was built as a utility room because I used to do all my flowers out here, and so most of it were just all the cupboards were full of flower arranging stuff, containers and everything was here. It was full.
So you knew that you wanted to have some bathroom facilities downstairs.
Yes.
What happened when they said that you needed to get rid of lots of things?
Panic. Terror. Absolute terror. To think that for 40 years I'd been collecting, and now all of a sudden it's all got to go. And panic, anxiety, not sleeping, because, well, part of your life is going.
Yeah.
But I don't do flowers anymore, so it had to go. It all had to go.
How long did you do the flower arranging for?
Oh, I belonged to the flower club since the 60s.
Yes, it's a massive part of your life.
Oh
really.
yes, absolutely. Yeah. Yes.
I think when I came along to the first visit, you were both pretty much ready to get started
Oh,
on the first visit, really, with Rob.
Yeah.
And it was quite amazing because you cleared a couple of the cupboards within that first visit.
Yes.
And ideally, we don't encourage the volunteers to start that first visit, actually. So it was quite nice.
I couldn't believe how much he achieved in such a short space of time. You know, I mean, he was like a whirlwind here, you know, but asked me all the time, where do you want this to go? Where do you want that to go?
Yeah.
You know, all the way he was asking me, you know, will you need that? No. Do you want this? No. Just let it go. So I wanted all of it to be gone.
If someone, a friend of yours or a relative, perhaps had to go through this same process, how would you describe it to them?
Well, not to worry, because you've got the backing of Catherine's group and the care and repair. It's a sort of all together, isn't it? You know, if I had any problems, I would just ring Catherine and say, you know, this is happening, that's happening, and she would come and sort it out for me. Having been part of this project for some time, I've just written down what it meant to me, and if you don't mind, I'll just read it through. Having been part of the new scheme, I can only say how grateful I am for its existence. As I have got older and I live alone, I struggle to do things that in the past I found easy. Also, I find my confidence less as I have aged. This scheme has been excellent. My volunteer, Rob, has been so helpful. No task was too much trouble for him. I am at a loss for words to say how he has helped me. I could not have done this work without his help, reassuring me all the way that everything would be all right. And sometimes I didn't believe it, but and I thank Catherine and all involved with this scheme.